Oh. Catastrophic engine failure. Guaranteed.
Yikes.
Hey, the chain's still on the bike.
Buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. As always, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already checked out the last video, I'll put a link below where the Harley Street Bob went kapoots, man, where it broke down on me. Go check out that video first, and then come join us again here. This is a trial. Basically, the bike shut out on me, and I assumed it was something electrical. Here's what's going on. See, all the lights are flickering, and then when you go to hit the start button, so when it's in the off position, you don't get any of the lights flickering, but you have battery on and just some of those lights. When you turn it into run or on position, things start to go awry, and then if you hit start, nothing. So I posted my last video and everybody was saying, dude, check the battery, and I had checked the battery, but I actually decided, you know what, not a bad idea, let's try a new battery, because the reason I was thrown off the scent of the battery initially was the way that everything happened. I was in the middle of riding. If you watched the last video, I was in a wheelie sesh, and just out of nowhere it just shut down. And lights started flickering and everything. So it just seemed a little bit bizarre. And when I would like mess with these wires, things would kind of change up. So I'm thinking some type of a short. But I bought a new battery. I went out and picked up a new battery, so I figured, what the heck, let's try the new battery. And hopefully that does it, but I don't know, so we're gonna find out. And on a completely side note, I'm gonna be leaving here in any minute, in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, driving out to California, and I'm not picking up a motorcycle this round through. I'm picking up something different. I'll do a separate video on that, but stay tuned. So I'm kind of in a bit of a rush, but I wanted to see if I could get this thing started before I have to hit the road. So let's see how it goes. The more I do these videos and post stuff and get comments and feedback, the more I realize I know like absolutely nothing. And probably like 90% of the stuff I thought I knew, I was totally wrong about. So I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a master. Don't do what I'm doing, just learn from my mistakes, basically. All right, old battery's out. Back. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Whew. All right, you guys, moment of truth. Here it is. I got the new battery hooked up. Double check, make sure that everything's tight. So, whew, I'm nervous. Dude, I am like elated. What a relief. Holy smokes. Hey, this one, I owe you guys all like $1,000 total, because if I had taken this to the shop and had them diagnose it, I probably would have gotten a bill back for like who knows how much money. They probably would have told me that it was the flux capacitor or flex capacitor. Sorry, Ray, I messed it up again. Flex or flux capacitor. They probably would have been like, yeah, dude, that is the problem, and it's only going to set you back $1,700. Do you want to do cash, credit, or check? So first of all, huge shout out and thank you to everybody who chimed in, put in your comments, your thoughts on the, who added your 2 cents. The general consensus was, dude, get a new battery, the battery's bad. And the reason I didn't think battery is because I've never had a battery go bad like that, just out of nowhere while I'm in the middle of riding. I've had bad batteries before where you go to start it and it doesn't start, or you go to charge it. So anyway, I was thinking this whole time some crazy electrical issue, and then thanks to all you guys, I'm glad I posted the video, because I was at a loss. I was like, what the heck, I didn't even know where to start. And I was gonna hit up my buddy Ray back east. I was gonna call him today or tomorrow, but I said, you know what, let me give this a shot, because everybody seemed to be thinking battery. big shout out and thank you. Live and learn. And I'm just relieved it's just the battery and nothing else crazy. That battery set me back about 145 bucks, and clearly it needed a new one anyway, because that old one was showing that it was fully charged and everything, but obviously it was bad. Probably from all the wheelie abuse, but that's just the name of the game. Well, dang, we'll hit you up on the next one. Adios, nos vemos. Stay tuned. More wheelie fun on this bike as well as the other ones. And stay tuned to see what it is I'm going to California to pick up. It is a vehicle. It's not a motorcycle, though. Stay tuned to see what it is. All right, we'll hit you up on the next one. Adios.